we are back with a Let's Code. So today we are going to be coding a dice application. Now you want to make a new one, insert calculator, and you want to make a new page, then doc for a 1. Now you can name this dice or anything you want. Doesn't really matter what you name it. So there are going to be a couple things we want to do. Now, first thing, we want to localize our variables. For this, I'm going to create 2 dice applications. I'm going to make a new one just real quick here. Dice. And then one we are going to localize and one we are not. So local, and then whatever variable is. So I'm just going to make that dice. Doesn't really matter, but let's just make that x for now. Now, after x, you want to do x equals. Now, this equals here is a colon equals, which you can do by control, then this button right here, or you can just do plain old here, here, and then equals. Now, x equals rand int. Now, this basically means it's going to assign a random integer to x. Now, we have to say random integer which ones we are going to do. So we're going to put parentheses 1, 6. Basically, this means random integer from 1 to 6 is going to be x. So next, we are going to type display x. Simple as that. So this basically localizes the variable, which we will get to in a little bit, then random integer and display. Now over here I'm just going to make a unlocalized one real quick. Alright, so over here, let's just that. Drag this, cool. So here's our dice. And of course you always want to upload it, store successfully by control B. So we're going to push var, we're going to click on dice, and we are going to push enter. Runs the code and we get 4. Now we are going to go over to the unlocalized one. We are going to push var, dice, we are going to push enter. Now we get 3. Now we're going to go back over here, push var, dice, do that. So that's random. Now but if we go over here, click this, oh, what's this x here? That shows the previously assigned variable. So basically what local does is prevents x from showing up in here. So it gets a little bit annoying, especially if you have, for example, if you have x as a instead. It gets a little bit annoying because we have that, works fine, but then on a calculator you do that, then you have to go up here and push down to get it. So basically what local does is prevents this from happening. Very nice little thing. So that's what local does. So we're going to go back to here, and you see locally prevents x from showing up. So hope that helped making a dice application, and see you next time.